A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today again I am here with lesson number 7, which is the clever crab, and we will continue the exercise language structure. And the first question is match the words with their short forms. Here in this question what you have to do, you have to match the words with their short forms. So the first word is do not, and the short form of do not is don't. And how you will write it? The spelling of don't is D-O-N, and after N you will put apostrophe and then T. The next word is VR, and the short form of VR is VR. And how you will write it? You will write W-E, and after E you will put apostrophe and then R-E, which means it is VR. The next word is I am, and the short form of I am is I am, and in this short form you can skip A, and you for that place you will put apostrophe, and the final short form of I am is I, and then you will put apostrophe and then am. The next word is not, and the short form of is not is isn't. How you will write it? You will write I-S and then apostrophe then T. Okay. The next word is she will, and the short form of she will is she will. And how you will write? You will write S-H-E, she, and after E you will put apostrophe then double L. The next word is have not, and how you will write have not? In short form you will write haven't. The spelling of haven't is H-A-V-E-N then apostrophe then T. Okay. The next word is you will, and how you will write the short form of you will? You will write Y-O-U then apostrophe then double L. The next word is cannot. The short form of cannot is can't, and the spelling of can't is C-A-N then apostrophe and after that T. The next word is he is, and the short form of he is he is, and how you will write? You will write H-E then apostrophe and then S. Right? The next word is they are, and how you will write they are in short form? You will write T-H-E-Y they and then apostrophe and then R-E. This is it. And now let's move to the next question. The next question is of grammar glee exercise, and the question is identify the tense in each of the sentences given below. Take the correct tense. Here what you have to do, you have to identify the tense of the given sentences and you have to take the correct one. Okay, the first sentence is Tina loves dog, and now you have to find out this sentence is of which tense? Past, present or future. Here you can see we have written loves, so this is verbs ES form, and ES form we will use in which tense? Yes, the present tense. So the sentence is of present tense. The next sentence is the farmer planted corn last spring. Here options are given past, present and future. Here you can see in this sentence the word is there last. So this itself says that this sentence is from past. So this is a past tense, and you can also see here planted we have used verb ed form, and ed form is used in past tense. So this sentence is of past tense. The next sentence is the car stopped suddenly, and the options are past, present and future. Here you can see which verb we have used. Yes, suddenly stopped, and here we have used verbs ed form. So this sentence is of past tense. The next sentence is we will go on a picnic tomorrow. Here you can see in this sentence we have used will, and you know very well that we will use will in future tense. So this sentence is of future tense. Okay. The next sentence is Rohan collects stamps. Here you can see we have used verbs S form collects. So this sentence is of present tense. The next sentence is Nitin will eat pulao for dinner. So here in this sentence, again we have used will, and you know that will used in future tense. So this sentence is of future tense. The next sentence is children love sweet. Here again you can see in this sentence verbs es form is used. So this sentence is of present tense, right? The next sentence is the police caught the thief. Here you can see we have used third form of the verb caught. So this sentence is of past tense because in past tense we use verbs third form. This is it for today. In our next class we will continue with the exercise of this lesson. Till then, stay safe at home and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.